What is up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. I haven't been posting in a while. Most of the times I forgot about posting, and the other half of the reasons is because of
financial issues.
No, it's because I can't find ideas. But now I have a good idea.
IBS.
Unboxing videos. Ideas. Anyways, so these are the Blox Fruits action figures. As you can see here, there's a DLC. I don't know how to get that yet. There's a Kitsune. There's a Magma. There's a Buddha, Bomb, Pain, Diamond, Smoke, Spike, Rumble, and T-Rex. So yeah, we're gonna open up these action figures and we'll see what we get.
Holy white. Too much.
Anyways, back to the unboxing video. So yeah, we have 4 of them. How do I get these out? Already got 4 of them. Here's the first pack. Let's see what we get. No way. It's a Rumble. Check that out, guys.
Mystery.
Check that out, guys. Next video. Next package. Let's see what we get. I really hope it's like Kitsune or T-Rex. Those are my favorites. Oh, it's Diamond.
Oh my god, what's that?
I have a feeling I feel like this is Kitsune. Oh no, it's actually Pain. Oh my god, these are kind of these actually have weight to them. All right, this is our last pack, everyone. So in
Oh my god, I need scissors. Why can't we use this real quick? Can't go get my scissors.
yeah, but yeah, guys, it's a bomb. Oh wait, hold up. Yeah. Anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite. And also, let me know if I should keep doing videos like this.